Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, I've been playing around a little bit with Bing AI and all of that and checking out what it can do. And one example here is I asked it to create a winter village picture. And, I look at what it's created. And probably by looking at other things on the internet. But I'm amazed at what I see. And what is interesting here is it makes me wonder in the future, how will we be able to see? I mean, take this. Let's say somebody creates a big, printout of this saying, well, I did this, I designed this on my own. There's absolutely no indication that I have that it is or not AI that created it. And that is what scares me of AI for the future, is imitation. Knowing the true and the fake will get more and more difficult. I'm I'm so amazed at things like this. For example, here, can you add snowflakes to the painting? Let's ask it to do that, and look at the results. It's just crazy. And this is of pictures, but I mean, we've now had demonstrations that it can imitate pretty much perfectly the voice of anyone. That also can be very dangerous. So here we go with here's new pictures, but with snowflakes. So that's kind of cool. I mean, wow. I could see myself actually having and creating custom wallpapers for Windows using this. So, this is part of my worries for the future. The imitations that will be difficult, if not impossible, to make a difference. It's great. AI has some really, really powerful and amazing features, but at the same time, you're like, wow, okay. This is crazy. I asked it for a pink horse. I asked it for logos. I asked it to do a news logo, and you're thinking about all the people that it could actually also put out of a job because of its capabilities. I think it's going to be an interesting future, definitely, with what's happening. So remember, you can actually use this Bing AI to create pictures. I think that's part of the fun. So you can say, create picture of, let's say, of a ocean beach. And see what it actually comes out with. Create a picture of ocean beach. And it's creating the pictures. We'll see how it is, and then you can add palm trees, as you see here. You can change the colors. You can ask it to do whatever you want, manipulate. Which is interesting, is how it actually makes pictures different every time, though. So if you ask it to add palm trees, for example, the pictures are going to come out are not the same. So it kind of creates new pictures every time. But it's interesting. Should have asked it for a sunny ocean beach to make it better. So here we go, palm tree, and so on. So anyways, lots of fun to play with, but at the same time, you realize how it's going to be interesting in the future to just make a difference between the true and the fake. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.